Yeah. Check it out. Last night I dug that bowl out and I packed her up so tight. I set it on the table and I smoked that shit till 4. I read some old love letters right up till I smoked till the dawn. 'Cause tonight I'm sitting alone, packing up bowls. I'm packing up bowls. I'm packing up bowls. I put my shit in the safe. This shit should be safe for most. But I had a serious brother. He would take the shit, oh yeah. He took the whole safe, yeah. I couldn't pack no bowls. I'm packing up bowls. I'm packing up bowls. I'm digging in my backyard trying to find my brother's stove. Resurrected some memories where that shit has gone. But my brother done fucking dug a bunch of fucking holes in the backyard. That's where the dope's at. You gotta have a fucking pirate fucking map, you know what I'm talking about? Yeah, went through the closet. That wasn't no place to hide your dope. Yeah, there wasn't nothing in there. Like no pretty little fucking no nay. I didn't buy that shit. I wanted to smoke shit. Yeah. I recall how good that dope looked looking in the bag. Shit was green and red lines of crystals. Ooh, yeah. I'm smoking up, packing up bowls. I'm packing up bowls. I'm rolling things I knew I should have known. I'm packing up resurrected the old buds. Old dope I used to grow. Now I'm sitting alone, packing up bowls. I'm packing up bowls. I'm packing up bowls. Yeah, I'm planting seeds of some new dope, trying to resurrect some memories of some old dope I used to grow. But tonight I'm sitting alone, packing up bowls. I'm packing up bowls. I'm packing up bowls. Now better you let me smoke it alone. I tried resurrecting memories of some good old dope I used to grow. But tonight I'm sitting alone, packing up bowls. And I'm smoking them too. Packing up bowls. Packing up bowls. Tonight I'm fucking sitting there and fucking shit. Yo.